I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to show you how to install a door-to-door code door with their Interior Door Jamb Kit.
I received this door from Door to Door Co. as part of a promotion. You'll need the following tools for installation: a drill, a nailer, 2-inch 18-gauge brad nails, a pencil, a measuring tape, a level, a circular saw, shims, a utility knife, and protective equipment such as safety glasses and respiratory protection. The jamb kit includes self-tapping screws, hinges, and hinge screws. Lay the jamb kit pieces on the floor, ensuring the head jamb, hinge jamb, and latch side jamb match up. To join the jamb kit, attach the hinge jamb to the head jamb using the self-tapping screws. Repeat this step by attaching the latch side jambs to the head jamb and make sure the joints are secure and flush. Before installing the jamb kit to the frame, it's important to determine the size gap you want between the bottom of the door and the floor. Use a measuring tape to determine the desired gap. If necessary, mark the jamb kit for trimming. Once you've measured the desired gap, transfer the measurement onto the latch side jamb using a pencil and do the same on the hinge side jamb. To trim the jamb kit, use a circular saw and carefully cut along the marked line to remove the excess length in the bottom. Take your time and slowly follow proper safety precautions. From here, attach the included hinges directly to the door. Place the jamb into the rough door opening. Place a small shim underneath the hinge side jamb, just in case some small adjustments need to be made. Starting on the hinge side, ensure it's centered, leveled, and plumb. Use shims to adjust and maintain the correct position. Starting with the top of the jamb, use the nailer and the 2-inch nails to attach the jamb to the door frame, driving the nails directly through the shims. Repeat this process as needed on the hinge side. Carefully align the door to the hinge cutouts in the jamb. Using the included screws, attach the hinges directly to the jamb. From there, use the same process as before. Use the shims and level to ensure the jamb and door are centered in the door frame. Make sure they're level and plumb. Open and close the door and adjust as necessary. Ensure the gap between the door and the floor is adequate and that the door swings freely without any obstructions. Once the door and the jamb are in alignment, secure the jamb to the frame using shims and nails as needed. Once installed, use a utility knife to score the shims so that they are flush with the door frame. Gently snap the shims until all excess wood is removed. Now you've successfully installed a door-to-door code door using their jamb kit. From here, you can paint your door, install trim, and any additional hardware.